Space, Oxygen, Day 6, Throne of Libra. We remember at the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as oxygen. That is the substance we are ordering. The 8th particle of the stone presents itself as respiratory architecture, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of balance. The Throne of Libra opens the 7th position and directs the gaze toward oxygen homeostasis in the blood. From this seat, oxygen reveals itself as an element that must be kept in exact balance, as the gas whose concentration must be just right to sustain life. What was ignited, rooted, circulated, protected, expressed, and refined now finds balanced proportion. Oxygen in the blood must be maintained at precise levels. Every breath adjusts the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Every exchange sustains the respiratory harmony that allows life. Oxygen inhabits arterial blood that carries it in just proportion, the chemoreceptors that detect imbalance, the respiratory system that constantly adjusts equilibrium. When observed from the Throne of Libra, respiration finds gaseous balance, reciprocity, and the capacity to sustain opposing tensions. Breath becomes a chemical scale. Energy organizes itself as respiratory harmony. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of vital balance. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner breath and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding the gaze, balance is established, and the 7th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Oxygen is balanced. The wheel continues its conscious rotation. Thus, today we carry out this task. Mind, focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am balancing oxygen in my blood. Allow the mind to remain serene and fair at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with respiratory imbalance, emotional hyperventilation, lack of air, rupture of balance. Emotion is brought into order through harmony. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am balanced oxygen. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating the respiratory scale into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra kedavra. I create as I speak.